That was one of the best experiences we've ever had. That was so cool. There were, I don't know, probably at least 10.
Yeah.
10 of them that we could interact with. You can see all these huge lava fields all the way down here near the resort. So we're in the Ocean Sciences something research center grounds. I forgot what all it said. And we're looking for a small little place where they're researching the octopuses. So here it is, the Kanaloa Octopus Farm. We're ridiculously excited about this octopus farm. We just love octopuses. I need to find out if it's octopi. I don't think so, actually. Yeah, but anyway, we just lucked out and found this place, or found out about it right before our trip, and made an appointment for the tour. So here we go. Oh, he likes that.
Only species like this here in Hawaii. All others we do have are nocturnal.
What does it feel like?
Are active during the day. They need to be masters of camouflage.
Has he got his suckers on you?
They camouflage using the layers of skin. Their base layer is white. Then on top of that, they have a layer of specialized cells called chromatophores. These chromatophores can expand and contract and show the pigmentation inside.
Oh, he is strong. You can feel him pulling.
Yeah, he wants a toy.
Like an 3 to 5 pounds of solid muscle, so yeah, they're pretty strong.
I don't know if I want to hold them. They look kind of crazy to me.
They do, like aliens. They're really mild.
That Brady was really interesting.
He was very mild. He just wanted to see who I was, and then he let go and went back.
Yeah, he wasn't.
He was not aggressive at all.
And to think we eat these things.
Well, I don't.
I don't anymore.
No, they're too smart. They're really intelligent. He's got a missing leg, look. Oh, here he comes. Wow, he came right to you. Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got my finger. Oh, that feels so cool. Oh, he's really pulling. Ah, he wants me to come down there. That rock came up.
Yeah, he's strong.
He's real strong. This is a male also. He's missing a leg right here. Well, it looks like at one time, because you can tell it's smaller than the others.
Yeah, it's growing back though.
Yeah, they grow back. If he wanted to, he could do it. He could do it harder. He's being really gentle. But he's like feeling all my fingers.
He wants to understand you.
He's exploring.
That's how they sense things. Is through touch and smell.
He's pretty much letting me explore. There he goes.
It's all right. You don't have to be scared. He's not going to hurt you.
Yeah, unfortunately, these males do not have these large suction cups for their entire lives. They get them once they reach sexual maturity, about 6 months of age, so it is a little difficult to tell the difference between sometimes.
Is this Elvira? This is Mila, okay.
Is she sucking hard?
No.
No, she's just
very gently.
So wave his arms around, show that female his large suction cups. Next thing, he's going to
Are you going to crawl up my arm?
color, shape, and texture prove to her how well you can camouflage.
It's possible.
And say, hey, fake me.
Oh.
Able to do this as well. If that female isn't fresh, she's going to allow him to start mating. She's going to allow him to start mating.
Mila likes me.
But she doesn't like him. What she's gonna do is lure him closer, make him think she does.
Yeah.
Female, she's gonna try and eat him. Now this allows her to do two things. First of all, it allows her to get much bigger. There's direct correlation between her size and the amount of eggs she can produce. So she wants to get as large as possible during this time before she's ready to lay her eggs. It's also going to allow her more time finding potentially better fit males.
Oh, those are eggs?
Yep. There's around 15 to 20,000 in this jar.
See how tiny they are. That is crazy.
There's eggs inside eggs? Or?
So each of those individual little nodules is one egg. And once these eggs are fully developed, they're going to start hatching. They're going to continue to do so for another week or so. After the last one's hatched, that female's going to give them one last float out of the cave. With best luck to the pair of larvae. They're on their own.
She changes color a lot and really quickly. This one.
Yeah.
Is this Elvira? I think it is. Look how dark she got.
Yeah.
Has she let you touch her yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was very apprehensive at first. It's taken some time.
It's
taken a lot of time.
she's learning.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna swim now. So we're feeding them pieces of crab now. She was coming to see me. Give this one to her? Okay.
Yeah. Right. Lay it out and write it down.
Yep.
She's finally trusting you.
Yeah, it takes time.
Did she take all of her food?
She did. And now she's playing with the toys.
She's a cutie.
She is.
That was one of the best experiences we've ever had. That was so cool. There were, I don't know, probably at least 10.
Yeah.
10 of them that we could interact with if you could get them to come out. Some of them were kind of hiding, but the vast majority of them wanted to interact. And you got to feed them, and we got to interact with them for at least 45 minutes. It was a really long time. It was just so cool. I'll put the information down below. Mark says he thinks it was $50, but it was worth it. I would have paid twice that for it. It was absolutely worth it. Lots of educational information and just getting up close and personal with the octopuses. He told us that that is the plural, octopuses. So although he said it's kind of accepted octopi also. So anyway, I highly recommend it. Do it if you're here on the Big Island. It is well worth it. It's a fabulous experience.